everyone, my name is Granate, and I am really sorry if I'm whispering. It's because it's nighttime, and of course, there's one new feature I found out on my phone after so long of using it, like a year, and it just occurred to me now how to use it. And when I found out about it, I spent so long finding out how to use it. It was annoying. I literally started to cry. Look at my eye bags. They're as big as the fucking sun, man. Look at this shit. So now I'm going to tell you real quick, alright? Sorry for wasting 42 seconds of your time because I'm really pissed right now. Okay, so this is how you can use floating windows app, okay? Floating windows. It's like basically like what I'm doing right now with my front camera, but on your YouTube channel, alright? So it has, alright, first of all, if it has to be Oppo A9, because I don't know if it works in other phones, but in Oppo A9, you have to go to Google Chrome, go to any video site, any site, and it has to be playing whilst when you want to try it. So, and then press the home button real quick. That's the only way it could work. That's the only way it could be recognized by the camera and the front feature of you want to use a floating windows. I spent so long looking for it. Like, oh my gosh, I wanted to punch my phone in the face. The phone. Look at my eye bags. Look at my life. Why is it like this, man? I'm going to punch it. Okay, let's see here. Look. Don't judge me. See, this is how you use it. This is how you use it. This is how you use it. This is freaking how to use it. I am so pissed right now. Literal piss water, piss fucking piss. I am not kidding how hard it was to find out how to use the feature. I even used Google. I even called it Siri. I did so much for this one thing. Sorry, I just gotta go.